How to delete Uber account permanently. So if you want to delete your Uber account permanently, then first of all you need to open up your Uber application and then tap on get started and make sure to log into your Uber. And after logging into your Uber account, now you can go to your accounts, which is on the bottom right, and now you will have settings option. Simply tap on settings, and here you can go and tap on privacy. And under privacy, if you scroll down, here you will have account deletion option. Tap on that. And here you need to enter your mobile number or your email address. You can enter either one of that. And after entering, tap on next. And here you need to enter the code which you have received to your mobile number. And after entering that, here again you will receive a code to your email address. So simply go to your email and then enter that code here again. And after entering the code, now you can simply scroll down and tap on continue. And now you should select a reason why you would like to delete your account. Tap on other and then again tap on delete account. And that's it, your account deletion request was successful and now you will be logged out of your Uber. So that's it, that's how you delete your Uber account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.